The U.S. Air Force's Collaborative Combat Aircraft program is thought to change modern air combat strategy. In the next few years, aircraft with artificial intelligence technology will become a very powerful force in joint attack missions. In the last 2 decades, gun-equipped unmanned aerial vehicles or drones have been used as remotely controlled aerial weapons. However, the CCA system will be a new fighter development program that does not involve a crew and is the core of a joint strike mission. General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, one of 5 companies that have received contracts for the CCA program, is developing small fighter aircraft and drones. These air-launched drones weigh about 200 pounds and can carry a 40-pound payload with 1 kilowatt of power. These fighter planes and drones will be equipped with artificial intelligence technology that will allow them to coordinate with each other on missions, providing more flexible and effective capabilities. According to the president of General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, David Alexander, the large-scale use of drones equipped with electronic warfare and effective warheads will trouble the enemy. This system has proven effective in the war in Ukraine and at sea. Alexander believes that the U.S. Navy could also assume a central role for the use of such unmanned aircraft, at least in some mission sets that offer unique surveillance and sensor management capabilities in the maritime domain. In this way, the CCA program has the potential to increase the U.S. military's capabilities in future air and naval combat.